Ever felt that knot in your stomach when you have a huge professional certification exam coming up? Well, today we're pulling back the curtain on the marketing behind the very tools that promise to help you pass. We're going to deconstruct an ad for a study guide to see exactly how they sell the idea of success.
Yeah, it's a feeling we all know, isn't it? That exam date on the calendar just gets bigger and bigger. Your career could be on the line, and you're just scrambling for anything that'll give you an edge, that'll get you across that finish line.
So let's dive in and really dissect an ad for one of these guides. Now, to be clear, we are not reviewing how good the product is. Nope, we are analyzing the sales pitch itself. What are they really saying? What promises are they making? And what's the strategy to get you to trust them?
Okay, so Marketing 101. You have to know what your customer really, truly wants. And here, it isn't just about passing a test. It's about something much bigger, achieving certification success and all that comes with it.
The ad gets really specific and names the dragon you have to slay, the CompTIA Data Plus certification. For anyone in the data field, this exam is a serious gatekeeper. It's the challenge you have to overcome to prove your skills and move up.
So they've laid out this big, intimidating problem. What's the solution they're offering? Well, it's something really simple, it's digital, and you can get it instantly. And here it is, a simple PDF guide. It's from a company called CertsMatrix, and because it's a PDF, it's portable and super easy to use. But notice how they position themselves right away. They're not just a company, they're a trusted source. That single word, trusted, is doing some serious heavy lifting.
And this is their core promise, the whole pitch in one sentence. Let's just focus on that keyword, reliable. I mean, think about it. When you're stressed out of your mind about a big exam, what do you want more than anything else? Certainty. Reliable is such a smart word choice. It's designed to just calm your anxiety right down and build that trust.
But hey, promising to be reliable doesn't mean much if there's nothing to back it up. So what does the ad claim is actually inside this guide?
This is pretty clever. The ad doesn't just tell you the guide covers everything, it shows you. By breaking down the exam into these 5 clear sections, this visual immediately makes you feel like, wow, they haven't missed a thing. It's a visual promise that says, we've got all the bases covered, so you can relax.
And here it is. This is the real secret sauce. They're not just selling you a PDF full of information. They're selling you an emotional state. The final product here isn't the knowledge itself, it's the feeling of confidence you'll have walking into that exam. That is a way more powerful thing to sell.
So who is this big promise of confidence actually for? You know, every good advertisement has a very specific person in mind.
This is a classic marketing move. They're casting a really wide net by targeting 2 different groups. First, you've got the newcomer, the ambitious person just trying to get their foot in the door. Then, you've got the experienced pro who's looking to specialize or level up. By talking to both, they instantly double their potential customers.
All right, so we've looked at the problem, the solution, the content, and the audience. Now let's look at the actual pitch. How do they tie this all together to get you to click that buy button?
This little phrase is the heart of the whole thing. Notice it's not a guarantee, they can't promise you'll pass, but offering to boost your chances, that sounds compelling, but it also sounds realistic. It frames the guide as this powerful tool you can add to your toolkit.
Now, to back up that main promise, they roll out this list of features. But look closer. Every single one is a direct answer to a fear a potential customer might have. Worried you don't have enough time? It's convenient, and you can study anytime, anywhere. Feeling totally overwhelmed? Don't worry, it's comprehensive and well-structured. Not sure if it's high quality? It's expertly crafted. They are knocking down your objections before you even have a chance to think of them.
And here's how they seal the deal. They take the messy, chaotic, stressful process of studying, and they boil it down into this simple, clean, 3-step journey. Learn, prepare, succeed. It just makes the whole challenge feel so much less scary and way more achievable.
So when you add up all these pieces, the promise of reliability, the comprehensive content, that simple 3-step process, the message they're sending is undeniable. This guide isn't just an option, it's being presented as the only logical choice if you really want to succeed.
Taking this ad apart really shows you the anatomy of a marketing promise. It's all built on persuasive language that's designed to make us feel less anxious. But it leaves us with a really important question. When you're facing a big challenge, how do you separate the promise of confidence from the tools that will actually help you build real competence? Something to think about. Thanks for joining.